Jai Hind everyone, myself Akash Dikshit and I am your faculty for GS section in Pawan Institute for UPSC. In our today's class, we will not take any subject, but this is a class regarding to the doubts of the students. Some of you asking me continuously doubt through WhatsApp, through Telegram, through email. Tell me about the batch. So as you know, and some people know already knows about the batches regarding to UPSC, which I already launched. So I discuss about the batch in brief so that you will also understand what kinds of study material you will get in our package. So the name of our package is UPSC selection package, and from the name you will understand what is the meaning of UPSC selection package. So this package contains complete study material as far as prelims and mains concerned. You will get complete video lecture of each and every subject and also the complete notes of each and every subject. Prelims, mains as well as personality test. Some of you ask few doubts on email that how you will provide us guidance regarding to the interview, that is personality. So as far as interview concerned, we will give you some scripts, some toppers experience, because some of the previous toppers have given interviews and share their scripts and share their interview experience in the different blogs. So we will provide these. And as far as the UPSC selection package, in our package there are three types of plan. The plan one is daily study material, and the plan two is build foundation, that is the complete NCERT package, and the third one is advanced package for prelims and mains. So UPSC package contains these three packages. So we will discuss one by one in detail. So what is the meaning of daily study package? What is the meaning of foundation? What is the meaning of advance? We will discuss one by one in detail so that you will understand each and everything regarding to our batch. Because as I already mentioned, this is a UPSC selection package where you will get the lectures, you will get the notes, you will get the proper guidance from our faculties. As you know, I am your faculty for GS section. I already discussed the syllabus or the pattern of the history subject and the geography subject, and soon we will discuss about the economy, polity, science and technology. Because before we start our batch, we have to understand what is the importance of these subjects in our exam, why we will study these subjects, these subjects only for the clarifying the exam, or this will also help in our future. So that's why we are discussing one by one subject at YouTube. And one more information is here: the demo lecture or the first lecture of every subject I will upload in YouTube in future, and I already uploaded in past. So the one lecture of each subject I will upload in YouTube. If you want to see the demo sample, whatever you said, you will go there. The channel name is, as you already know, Pawan Institute for UPSC. You will get the subject wise demo here, and watch the classes and try to understand how we will proceed in our classes, how we will cover the subject, each and everything discussed there. And some of you want to join our batches, then you have to visit on Play Store and search Pawan Institute for UPSC by Akash sir. You will get our application there. Download the application and visit in our application, and you will get the package name, that is UPSC selection package. As far as some people asking me from where we will get the previous class notes or the daily test, you will get these things at our official website. I continuously mentioning these things, so but the few students have comes a doubt again and again. So the official websites are you onlystudyos.com, onlystudyos.in. Some of you want to purchase our UPSC notes package. Notes package contains complete UPSC prelims and mains PDF notes, which includes previous year paper, test series, toppers note, mind maps, NCRT notes, each and everything available there. So visit on our official website by upscnotes.online. So I think this is, again I clarified these things. Now the point is, what is UPSC selection package? So the basically our aim is to put this kind of name UPSC selection package, because we always want positivity, so that we are putting such kinds of name selection. And why the selection word? Because we are comprising with the daily plan, weekly plan, monthly plan, foundation batch, as well as basic to advanced batch in our daily plan. So now the point comes regarding to the batch, the UPSC selection package. The first point is, our first facility is daily WhatsApp group facility. So in daily WhatsApp group facility, what kinds of study material you will get on daily basis? So number one, daily newspaper, because newspaper is the backbone of UPSC or any exam in such a way that is the state PCS exams. So some of you asking me which kind or which type of newspaper I will get, Hindi medium or English medium. So I clarify this thing at the starting. This batch is not for only English student. This batch also for the Hindi medium student. Those who want to prepare in Hindi medium, you will also get each and everything in Hindi. So at the starting, I clarify, if I am telling something in English, then you will try to understand everything available in Hindi as well. So the first point is daily newspaper. Which newspaper? English newspaper such as The Hindu, Indian Express, Mint, Times of India. These newspapers you will get in English medium daily on our WhatsApp group. Some of you ask in Hindi, that is Dainik Jagran, Amar Ujala. These newspaper you will get in our daily special WhatsApp group. So this is the first point. The second one you will get in our classes, that is in our batch on daily basis. That is, some of you asking me, we have to make the notes of the newspaper on daily basis. So some of you continuously doing this thing, but our team already make handwritten notes and computer typed notes on daily basis based on the current affair. So you will get the PDF notes of newspaper on daily basis. This is the second point. And after covering the newspaper notes, at the end of the day, you will get MCQ question related to that day's newspaper, around 20 question on daily basis. This is the third point based on the newspaper. And the fourth one is, you will get one mains answer writing question as far as answer writing practice. You have to write answer and submit and send to our team. Our team will review your answer, check your answer, and give you response in which direction you have to more focus, where is your we can say a good in good position, where are your negative points, which are your positive points. So these are the 4 points we clarify here, that based on the newspaper, I think this is more than sufficient as far as newspaper concerned. Some of you asking me that if we skip newspaper and go with the monthly magazines, such as there are different coachings, I take the government's magazines such as Yojana Kurukshetra. So this is okay, there will be no problem in these. But this time, if you give 45 to 1 hour to the newspapers, then this will very good habit for you, and also give benefit in examination. So both things available. We will also provide the monthly magazine to all of you. There will be no issue. So fourth thing regarding to the newspaper, this is a daily facility. The fifth point is, you will get daily All India Radio audio in WhatsApp group. All India Radio of morning and evening you will get in group. So from there you will understand, you will also know the important topics where the most experienced people are discussing the things, and also increase your English vocab, each and everything sorted from the All India Radio. This is the point. And after that, on daily basis, we will provide one live and after live recorded class on a very important topic, such as what is UNO, what is WHO, what is WTO, what is fundamental rights, what are fundamental duties, what is DPSP, what is citizenship, how emergency, what is the articles of emergency, how emergency implemented, what are the process of each and everything, the such important topics we will take one by one on daily basis. You will get live and recorded class of that lecture. So this is the sixth point. The seventh one is, after the class you will get the PDF note of that class. This is clear. And also you will get the 20 to 25 MCQ question based on that class. So this is clear. I think this is on daily basis. And these are the facility you will get in our WhatsApp group. And after that, we will also at the end of the day take one webinar regarding to the clearing of doubt of each and every student. So one live doubt session at the end of the day. And if you have any doubt regarding to the class, regarding to the newspaper, regarding to anything, you are free to ask there. And as you know, I already mentioned in the geography and history demo lectures, you will get 24 into 7 doubt clearing facility. If when you join in our batch, you will assign one our team member, and if you have any kinds of doubt, you will call them, you will WhatsApp message them, you will send email. Your doubt we will clear as soon as possible. So this is our daily facility. Now we will move to the weekly facility. What is the process of weekly? The second point is, the weekly facility includes the weekly test
weekly analysis of your complete daily analysis. We have made a proper, we can say, a chart to analyze the level of the student on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, how the graph goes above, below, above. So our team will be give you the report card at the end of the week. So how you perform, which field you have to give more time. So these kinds of things will be provided at the end of the week, and we conduct all India level test for checking of your level of preparation. So we will conduct on weekly basis. Now the third point is monthly. We will review each and every activity of each and every student at the end of the month, and we will give you the complete report card through the PDF through our application, where you will see how you perform, how your level increase from here to here. So you will see the gap between, clearly gap between your day 1 to day 30. So such kinds of artificial intelligence we are using during your preparation, and you will also see your graph, how you perform throughout the week, your ranking based on the thousands of students who also attempt test daily basis, on weekly basis, on monthly basis. So you will get proper the data of your competitor. So you will understand at what level you are right now. So we will provide each and everything. So this is the facility of WhatsApp, that is daily, weekly, and monthly. And the second point is, now comes the build NCERT foundation. So NCERT foundation is basically a package which includes the video classes as well as notes of each and every subject of NCERT, such as geography, history, economics, polity, science. These are the five core subjects of NCERT. We will provide you the complete video lectures and complete notes of each and every class, subject wise, chapter wise, complete notes, complete video lectures, and complete MCQ PDF for the practice. And not only the practice MCQ, we will also provide the previous year questions based on the NCERT chapters, NCERT books in various exams such as UPSC, state PCS exams. So you will get complete things regarding to the basic package of the NCERT. So our NCERT package is the package which is, we can say, mandatory for the beginners. So if you are a beginner, you are starting your journey, you don't know about UPSC in detail, so join in package. You will get each and every required thing in our package, and we will cover each and everything in detail. So there will be no issue in that, and we will also come live to solve your doubts, and also provide daily live classes on a one specific important topic. So this is the NCERT foundation. If you join in our this UPSC selection package, then you will get daily facility, you will get complete foundation of NCERT, and now the third one is the basic to advanced prelims and mains preparation. So what is the meaning of basic to advanced? Basic to advanced means the complete NCERT foundation. After that, you will get subject-wise complete lectures, complete notes of the each and every subject. Also, the reference books classes such as Lakshmikant Spectrum. You will get complete video lectures of these classes, these subjects, complete notes of these subjects, your complete UPSC prelims, GS paper 1, CSAT notes classes completed, and UPSC mains GS paper 1 to 4 essay, your optional, each and everything will be clear by video classes and notes. So we will provide the complete syllabus coverage of your exam, that is prelims and mains. So I think this why now you understand why the name of this package is UPSC selection package, because you will get each and everything which is required for UPSC preparation, which is required to UPSC aspirant. And I think no one in present time giving these kinds of facility, such as daily WhatsApp group facility, complete NCERT package, complete basic to advanced, doubt clearing session, live session, webinars, we can say your certificate, and we will also conduct daily test. We will also provide the certificate, motivational certificate to top 10 students on regular basis, so that you will understand at what level right now you are. We will conduct monthly webinars where you will interact with some senior faculties, some people who already cleared UPSC prelims mains. So we will do each and everything which is required for the preparation. So this is all about our UPSC selection package. If you want to join in our batch, then in the description box of this video you will get the link of our official application. You will enroll from there, and also we will provide the direct link of our package. If you want to join in our batch in our package, then you can join. And this is the UPSC selection package, includes three subdivisions, that is WhatsApp group facility, NCRT foundation, and basic to advanced prelims and mains. Some of you ask in future, sir, if I want to only join NCRT foundation batch only in WhatsApp group facility, so we are also providing these facilities as well. If you want to join only foundation batch of NCERT, you can join. If you want to join only the basic to advanced prelims and mains, you can join. And if you want to join only the WhatsApp group facility, you can join. So this is totally depends on you. You will get complete information when you contact with our team members, when you visit on our application, when you visit at our official website. You will get each and everything. And I think this is totally clear about the UPSC selection package. If I left something, then you will get the complete details at website and at through our team member. So I think we are done with today's this small information, and in our further class we will take the demo lecture of polity, economics, and science and technology, so that you will get the know the syllabus pattern of the UPSC exam and the importance of the history and geography in our previous classes. So as soon as possible, I will take the other lectures, and at the YouTube I will upload only one lecture, and the complete lecture of these batches you will get in our UPSC selection package, and the batch is available at our official application on Institute for UPSC. So this is today's small information class, and I think you will understand what I want to tell, what I want to share. So the doubts of the student, those who want to join in batches, I think now clear. If you have more doubt, then please let me know in the comment box. We will always read your comments, and we will try to always give your answers. So we will meet soon again in our next class. Till then, if you have any doubt, then email us, message us. So we will meet soon again. Keep listening with patience and perseverance and dedication. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.